Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to, in the last video, we learned how to use we learned how to use Google Docs. Google Docs is a Word documentation tool. It's equivalent to, you can do the same thing with it, just the same way you deal with Microsoft Word. The only difference is that they are owned by two different companies, as I explained in the last video. One is owned by Google, the other one is owned by Microsoft. But they literally does the same type of thin Word documentation, okay? So today, the last time we learned how to document words, how to use various icons and all of that. Now today we are going to learn how to share this document that we have worked on. Okay, so for example, I just typed something, a few lines. I've done it the way I want it to be. I've inserted whatever I want to insert. Now I want to share it. Now the essence of sharing is that your client might not be in the same location as you are. Your client might be in a different country or in a different continent with you. So how do you share this with them? It's not something that you can go and, if the person is not close to you, that you can maybe go and print and give the person a hard copy. How do you share it? So this is how we share it. We just click on this icon here, click on it. Now it gives you, you're going to see share and export on this share and export. So click on it again. Now let us go to share. This share, we clicked on share. Now there are two ways, like I told you guys, there are two ways you can share. Is that you add the person's email. Now there are two ways you can share a document, either via email, add the person via email, or you copy a link, okay? Or you copy the link, or you generate a shareable link and send to the person. So let's add somebody here. Let's just add uh, any this thing. Let's just add any this thing. Okay, we've added. So you give the person access. You have to give the person a role. So is that you make the person a viewer? Like I explained before, if you make someone a viewer, it means that the person will just be able to view. The person cannot edit. But if you make someone a commenter, the person can comment. The person will not be able to edit, but the person will just be able to leave a comment. Let's say after viewing the file, they just comment, oh, this is this. Oh, you should have used this here. Oh, you should have done this, that here. So that is what this comment means. Now, if you are talking about editor, it means that you're giving this person the power to edit this file. The person can edit it, generate link for it. Remember that someone that is a viewer and commenter cannot generate a shareable link of that document. But if you make the person an editor, the person can easily generate link. Okay. So guys, now you can leave a message. Hi Melinda, this is the requested document, something like that. This is the requested document, just a quick type, requested document, okay, something like that, just for the person to know, okay, this is what is inside here, okay, and all of that. Now you do this. When you send it to them, the person will receive a notification via their email that someone just added them, said something, shared something with them. Now when you send it, are you sure? Are you sending? So there's no Google account. Okay, I think I typed something wrongly. Um, there's a wrong type in here. There's a wrong typing, wrong address. Um, Whatever it may be, there's a wrong address. So let me see if I don't want to start sending to random whatever. Let's see. I just okay. I don't have any email right now. Like try to get an email that we can just send, and so that you guys can see it. But nevertheless, just type the email here, click on this send icon, and it will send to the person. I'm trying to like get an email that I can use, but it will send to the person. Okay, now that's one way. Then the second way is to copy a link. Copy this link, but before you copy this link, you need to give access. If you don't give access, they will not be able to view it. So change, see that place restricted, click on it, So only people added can open. This means that if you copy this link and send anywhere, those persons who were not added via email will not be able to access it. So here you need to come and give them access to use this access to this link, to this document. You see it, anyone with the link, you have updated the access. But before then, after then, you also need to give them a role. Click here beside the viewer. So you also need to, either you want to make the person an editor, make the person a commenter, make the person a viewer. Whatever role that if you deem fit to give to the person, you give it to the person, okay? You don't forget to do that. So that's one of the things here. Okay, now so that's one of the things here. You just put give the person the right access that you need to give to the person, and that's it. So for now, another thing I want to show us is word count. How to count how many words that you have here. For some of us that might be writing an essay and they said not less than 150 words or so, just an example I'm giving to you, so that you know how to count the words that you've written. All you need to do is still click on the three dotted line, then click on word count. It automatically summarizes everything for you: how many words, how many characters, and characters excluding spaces. Everything is here, so you know what you're doing, how many words, how many characters that are here, and all of that. So that is for word count. Now let's look at this find and replace. This is it, find and replace. So you have done something, you have typed something, and unfortunately you notice there's an error, and this particular word you've been using it often here, and you don't want to, and so another thing I want to show us is how to find and replace. Like I was explaining, you did a lot of things, you typed a lot of things, and you notice there are words that you have some errors on it, and you can't go and start searching for them one after the other. Imagine you have a document of about 1,500 words or something like that. So how do you do this? Simple, you click here, go to find and replace. Okay, click, look for find and replace. Sorry, where did I click? Find and replace. This is it. So this is find and replace. So you click on find and replace. When you click on find and replace, let's say I want to change the word name. Let's say I want it appeared in a lot of places on this document, and it's not the correct thing to use. So I want to replace it with the correct thing, or there's an error. So I'll just type name, then click on the normal these three dotted lines. Click on it. So you have to make sure you type it accordingly. And it highlights it, you see it's green, it's found it, so it highlights it. Once it highlights it, the next thing you do is click on it again, then click on replace. Then let's say here that my name is, I'll just replace it, my mom. Okay, let's replace it with mom. My mom, let's replace it. See, I've typed mom here, so I'll click on replace. You see it, my mom is Marilinda. You see it, it automatically replaces it. So if you have this document, if on this document there are a lot of things that you want to replace with, it automatically replaces all of them. So making the job very easier for you and all of that. I hope you understand that. Makes it very easy for everyone, okay? So that's basically what we have today. Now try out all of these, and in your own spare time, try them out so that you wouldn't forget them. Thank you guys. Thank you for being with us today. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. Thank you so much.